guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this very simple look, so if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So as usual, I'm starting with brows, and I am using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. And next I will be going in with concealer, so I am using the Milessis Active Highlight from Emite Makeup. And next I will be going in with my latest buy, which is the Wonder Powder from Makeup Store. And this is in the color Nevada. And next I will be starting my eyes. So today I am using the Saharan by Juvia's Place. And I will be starting by going in with the color Katsina and putting this in my crease and above my crease. And next I will be going in with the color Jamila, maybe, is this reddish color, and I will be putting this in my outer corner, I think, and maybe into my crease. And for my lids, I will be going in with the color Lulu. I will put this on, well, basically my entire lid, I think. Like so. And for my inner corner, I think I'll be going in a little bit with Iman. And next I will be doing my under eyes, I think, so I'm going back in with Jamila. I'm putting this below my lower lashes, lash line. And next I will be going in with the Big Eyes Liner from Maybelline, and I will be putting the black side in my upper waterline and the white side in my lower. Like so. And next I will be going in with mascara, so I'm using the veryme Extendalash Mascara, and this is by Oriflame. Next, I will finish off my brows, so I'm going in with the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. Like so. And now I will be doing the rest of my face, so I'm grabbing the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm gonna start by contouring my face, I guess, and I will be using the colors Mafe and Cigar. Just going in with a bit more powder, and from Makeup Store, the Wonder Powder, because I'm sweating my fucking balls off. And for blush, I will be going in with the color Andromeda. And for highlight, I will be going in with the color Milky Way. And for lips, I am going in with the Sugar Daddy lipstick by Medusa's Makeup. Like so. So I'm just gonna fix this up a little bit and I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It is, as almost always, a very simple and achievable look. It doesn't take much, which is what I like. I like effortless looks. Of course, I also like elaborate looks, but you know, simple is where it's at. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see in my next video. And I will see you next time.